Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to add your Freebie PDF to Wix for download. Offering a lead magnet like a guide or a checklist is the best way to grow your email list, and using the PDF Viewer app is the most professional way to do it. These steps relate perfectly to each other to help you showcase your content and get it into your visitors' hands. First, you need to install the PDF Viewer app. Head over to your editor, click the Add Apps icon on the left, and search for PDF Viewer. Click Add to Site. This app is great because it doesn't just give people a link, it actually lets them see the document right on your page. You can drag and drop it anywhere or even cut and paste it if you want to move it to a dedicated thank you page later. Next, we need to upload your freebie. Click on the app in your editor and select Upload PDF. Then click Add File. This will open your Media Manager. If your PDF is already there, select it. Otherwise, click Upload Media to bring it in from your computer. Once it's uploaded, hit Add to Page. This connects your digital file directly to the viewer element so it's ready for your visitors to see. The final connected step is choosing how the PDF looks and functions. Click the app and select Presets. Wix gives you 6 different ways to display the file. If you want people to read it directly on your site, choose the inline or full window presets. If you just want a clean way for them to download it, choose the document button or text button presets. You can then use the settings and design icons to change the colors and layout till the download area matches your brand's aesthetic perfectly. That is literally it. If this guide helped you set up your first lead magnet, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to gate this PDF behind an email sign-up form next, and I will see you in the next one.